Hello there, Mr. Boom here. Welcome to FX Billionaire Hub, and in this video we're gonna analyze the market for the Monday, that means today. This is the daily analysis from FX Billionaire Hub, and as per you can see there, we already thought that market will start after a big gap over here, and market just did that, and there is a trend line formed, and each and every time market just touch this trend line or particular area and it's just trying to go fly. Okay, this is M15 time frame, and if I zoom in a little bit more, and if I want to make a perfect triangle over there, and as you can see there, okay, let me make it perfect for now. Okay, that triangle is already hit or going to cross there, but before we take any buy sell entry, okay, buy or sell entry, we have to understand the market condition or market situation or geopolitical situation for now. Okay, and due to the Middle East tension, we have to consider buy entry, because gold is nowadays a safest haven for the investor. Okay, crypto and other thing and other digital currencies are crashing day by day, so investor just taking their money from cryptos or other digital currencies and putting them onto physical gold or virtual gold, like FX market or like metal market. So in that case, Iran just announced that they will close Hormuz early, so you have to consider that also. Oil and gold price is going to higher than previous all-time high, so we can expect, if the way continues, we can expect 6,000 plus. Okay, 6,000 plus in the gold market. So you have to consider buy entry each and every time. For selling, I personally suggest to avoid sell in that particular moment or particular term, so we will take only buy entries in that moment or in that case. Okay, and if I especially remove all of previous drawing, and if I want to go back for each one time frame for the whole days, and as per you can see there is a breakout from beginning of the day, or as per I told, market will open with a big gap, and there is the gap, and it's just trying to move bullish or bullish forward. Okay, in a smaller time frame, it may seems it just cross our trend line zone, or there is the confirmation to go sell. Let me make it M15, and as you can see there, maybe you may think that there is a breakout from gold, we will wait for pullback and again take sell entry, but don't do that wrong thing right now, because it's wait time, where means we have to consider buy entries. Okay, so we will only consider buy entry, and after we get any kind of a buy confirmation, or if we get breakout for this trend line upper side, we will wait for another pullback, then we can continue buy entry. Okay, we aren't considering any sell entry yet or right now, so we have to wait till a buy confirmation. And if I especially want to talk about daily market, as you can see there, daily market is on bullish momentum, so we have considered bullish momentum. Okay, and we can expect easily what point we can keep our target as a targeted point. Expect our targeted point easily around 5514 or 5500. Okay, so after a bullish confirmation, we can take our entry over there, that means buy entry over there, and our targeted point will be, our targeted zone will be 5510. And one more thing, while you are entering the trade, you must have to consider 1:3 risk reward ratio in that particular situation. Okay, don't trade with 1:1 risk reward ratio. Okay, don't trade with that, must consider 1:3 plus risk to reward ratio, then we may made a good amount or huge amount on that market. That means if your SL is 100 pips, your TP should be 300 pips. If your SL is 50 pips, your TP should be 150 pips. That means 3x bigger than SL. Okay, so I hope all things is clear now. If you have any query or question about today's market condition, market situation related, you may ask me on Telegram channel, link in the video description box, or if you have any other queries, you can ask our admin on Telegram, t.me/FX Billionaire Hub, link in the video description box. I hope all things is clear now. Mr. Boom signing out.